Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable character preview on your iPhone. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways that it's going to work with you. So you just click here on settings here, just click on it. You come to your settings, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You click here on general here, just click on it. Then you come to next here, it's going to show for you like this here. You go down, just keep going down here. You click here on keyboard, just click on it. Then you come to next here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you come here to character preview, just click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us as main character preview enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.